decided to do the baking course because I honestly love baking, and I did level 3 for cookery, and when I did those courses I liked the baking the most, so I chose baking. NorthTec seems more friendly. I don't know how to word it, but it definitely seems like you're more of a community than just, oh, I'm going to school and I'm coming home and like going to school. It doesn't feel like school, it feels like a home kind of thing. I'd honestly say I just like the way they teach everything and how simple it is, and all of the recipes that they use always come out like amazing, so I really like that. The only surprise was that I didn't realize I'd like it so much, and I thought it would just be like normal college and it would be boring, and once I'd finished level 3 cookery I'd want to leave, but I didn't, so I just stayed and I'm still here. Supportive, definitely. Very supportive, and like I said, it brought me out of my shell, so now I'm a much more confident person. I now have a job. I didn't have a job before I came to NorthTec, and now coming to level 3 and 4 cookery and now level 4 baking, I now have a job at Jane Mander's retirement home, so. Honestly, probably get confident enough to work in a restaurant or like a proper bakery. I think that would be my main aim from all of this and getting my certificates and stuff like that. They've like just been there to like really explain things and make it easier for me to pass, because they all want me to pass and stuff, and they've been in contact with me while I've been out of college, and they've even helped me through my first week at work and everything, so they've been really supportive in the long run. Honestly, to anyone wanting to come here, just come here, it's great. I didn't want to come here at first because I thought it would be boring, but it's amazing. Just come here, it's great, it's fun.